category of Appreciation Award goes to AQRF, Pakistan. Mr. AQRF, a wonderful artist from Pakistan, very versatile, talented. Mr. AQRF, please come on the stage for the Appreciation Award. Mushtaq Ali Lashari. Next award goes to Mr. Mushtaq Ali Lashari. Please come on the stage for the Appreciation Award. Mr. Mushtaq Ali Lashari. Congratulations. Shan Raza Amrohi, Pakistan. Mr. Shan Raza Amrohi, wonderful artist. Appreciation Award. Congratulations. Shan Raza Amrohi is receiving this award. Ashfaq Ali. Mr. Ashfaq Ali, kindly come on the stage. Appreciation Award goes to Mr. Ashfaq Ali. Now we have Mr. Ashfaq Ali from Pakistan, Appreciation Award. Congratulations. Now the next award winner is Afzal Ahmed from Pakistan, very talented artist. Please come on the stage. Appreciation Award goes to Afzal Ahmed from Pakistan. Next Appreciation Award goes to Kashif Shehzad from Pakistan. Kashif Shehzad from Pakistan. Appreciation Award. Our next award goes to very sweet personality, Samina Mumtaz from Pakistan. She is a very talented artist, sculptor, and watercolorist as well. Samina Mumtaz from Pakistan. Okay, now I'm going to announce another name for the Appreciation Award, Seher Shah Rizvi. She is also a very talented artist, very stylish, and very popular. Seher Shah Rizvi. Thank you so much, sir. Okay,
Next award goes to Maheen Aziz from Pakistan. She's also very talented, hardworking. Maheen Aziz from Pakistan. She's been covering the whole IWS events throughout in Italy and in Pakistan as well. Congratulations and thank you so much. Now the last award winner is Shahid Mehman from Pakistan. My group is receiving the awards. Thank you so much.
Khalid Khokar. Mr. Khalid Khokar, kindly come on the stage. For the Best Helping Award, Mr. Khalid Khokar. Hyderabad Darbar. Hyderabad Darbar. For the Best Helping Hand Award, kindly come on stage. Hyderabad Darbar.
Thank you so much. Now we come back to the Appreciation Award. Now Shaima, it's our turn to receive the awards. What do you think?
No, I'm not taking the award like that.
Why?
Aren't we forgetting something, Nadia? Think about it. A very important person. We are forgetting about it.
You tell me. What do you have in your mind?
Well, I would like to take my award from the person he recently received, Pride of Performance, Country Leader of Pakistan, IWS, Gold Medalist of 3rd Watercolor Biennale, Spain 2014, and the winner of 3rd Watercolor Biennale, Serbia 2014. Of course, Sir Ali Abbas Syed, kindly come on.
Sarata Noor and Sir Ali Abbas, along with the other judges, would give away the award to Shaima Umar, a very talented artist, and she has been covering the seascapes. You have seen her work, very vibrant watercolorist. Thank you. Thank you, Shaima. Congratulations.
Your turn to take your award. Kindly receive your award, from Mr. Sir Ali Abbas and Ataru. Nadia Raza. Very beautiful, very talented artist. Coordinator of Islamabad, Nadia Raza, looking beautiful on this evening. Many congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, we have online contest award in few minutes, and before that, I would like to announce we have a gentleman in this evening. He is not only a wonderful artist, but also happens to be an amazing guitarist. I would like to request him to please come on the stage, Mr. Willett Mead from Argentina. Kindly come on the stage and amuse us with his beautiful guitar performance. We didn't know that. Okay.